Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Venu SQ2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, tap on the system option, and here find the option called vibration and tap on it. And now we can select between 4 levels of vibration intensity. The first one is off, so basically if you select this one, the vibration will be turned off. Next we have low, medium, and high. Select the one you like, and once you're done, press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.